Did you know the first successful open-heart surgery was performed by a man who had to build his own hospital just to practice medicine? In 1893, Daniel Hale Williams was one of the few black physicians in Chicago. Medical schools trained black doctors, but hospitals would not hire them. Black patients were turned away at the door, so Williams did something no one had done before. He built Provident Hospital, opening it in 1891 as the first interracial hospital in the United States, staffed by black and white doctors and nurses together. 2 years after those doors opened, a man named James Cornish was rushed in with a stab wound to the chest. His heart was bleeding. Williams opened his chest without the benefit of modern equipment, repaired the tissue surrounding the heart, and James Cornish walked out of that hospital 51 days later. July 9th, 1893. The first documented successful open-heart surgery in American history. The man who broke medicine's highest barrier built the room he needed first. Then he changed everything inside it.